Identify X bevel of H-beam flange. When processing H-beams, have you ever encountered scenarios involving machining X bevel of H-beam flange? TubesT has launched a new version that supports to identify X bevel of H-beam flange. Select the part and click Optimize H-Beam End Toolpath. The toolpath can be intelligently recognized and generated. You can change the bevel angle or bevel route directly in TubesT if necessary. Thus, the rework and drawing revisions can be avoided, and various complex cutting requirements can be handled easily. Currently, to resolve the various processing scenarios, the V bevel, Y bevel, and X bevel of the H-beam web are all available in TubesT, meeting various processing requirements. Use Assign technique with one click. All the techniques can be assigned to different processing layers, which will significantly improve operational efficiency and effortlessly achieve high-performance operations.